Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the menu element, the menu tag. Now, the menu tag can be used with the list element, which will give us and it will give us an ordered list. What do I mean? Let me show you. Let me show you how we can make use of the list elements. I mean, how we can make use of the menu element. So let me start menu. So let me start menu. So list. So I have this. So let me say Ayo. List. Ini. This list. Dorcas. This. Esther. List. This. Look. And let me say list. This. Titi. Layo. Now let's see. Now you see. So this is what we have with our menu elements. So our menu elements combining together with our list tag, we are going to have an ordered list. We are going to have an unordered list. This is an ordered list with our menu element. Normally starting up an ordered list, we need to use the UL or the OL to specify if it is ordered or not ordered. You understand? But with our menu, we are going to get an ordered list. So this is how we have it here. So you can use this for your project. It is very, very helpful. So thank you for watching today's tutorial. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to discuss more about HTML elements and tags. Thank you for watching. God bless you.